Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, we will show you how to add a line in Google Docs. Whether you want to separate sections, create a signature, or improve your document design, this tutorial is for you. On your Google Docs dashboard, to insert a line, all we have to do is click Insert at the top of the toolbar. Once we're here, we go to Drawing and then click New. A pop-up window, the drawing board, will appear. Now we just click Line and draw a line on the board. For example, make it this long. From here, we can adjust the line. Let's change the color to red and make it thicker. We can also choose a broken line, straight line, or solid line. Once we're happy with it, we click Save and Close, and the line will be inserted into the document. We can always come back to edit it. Just adjust it again and save and close when done. And there's our line in Google Docs. This method makes it easy to add horizontal or custom lines using Google Docs' built-in drawing tools. It's a simple way to create clean and professional-looking lines in any document.